How to fix TikTok at high CPM on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go now directly to apps or applications, and you will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do right now, just open TikTok when you found it. When you open it, go to storage option and go directly to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go directly to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. I'll see you in another video.